Hi, my name is Chima Trafford. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will help you discover everything you need to know about real estate investment in Nigeria and how to spot out investment opportunity in the real estate space in big cities like Owerri, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, and so on and so forth. As a real estate consultant with so many years of experience, who has helped a handful of individuals and investors to make real estate investment that has given them a good return on their investment. I am here to help and assist you to make the right investment that will help you to create assets to fund your lifestyle and with a guaranteed high return on investment. Whether you are a first-time buyer or an experienced investor, this channel is a perfect resource for you. I provide tips, updates, and strategies that will help you navigate through the ever-growing real estate investment opportunities in Nigeria, especially in the Southeast. We don't just sell land, we sell financial freedom through real estate. Our trainings and mentorship programs help young real estate agents to kickstart their real estate journey and scale up for maximum profitability. Let's build wealth together by leveraging real estate investment. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss out in my next video. Oh yeah, subscribe.